Alrighty, I'm going to show you how to transfer a facial animation from iclone into Unity for our project. You'll go back to the very beginning of your clip, go to this collect clip in your timeline. You're going to make sure you start at 0 so you collect the whole clip. Then you're going to slide this guy to the end. It can go pretty fast, so just watch out for that. Alrighty, there we go. We got it all. And then we are going to right-click, add motion plus to library. This was a previous one that I did, so just ignore that. We're going to name this Sue talking. Just for an example, whenever we're actually doing this, we want to use detailed saves so we know what word phrases they are and like maybe what characters they're for. So I'm gonna copy this top address so we can look it up later. Send this Sue talking file. Leave that all correct. Do OK. And then we're gonna switch over from iclone to Character Creator 4. In Character Creator 4, you don't have to have the specific character pulled up for this to work, just because we're only going to be exporting the animation. So what I'll do is I'll go to File, Export, FBX, Clothed Character, and then we're going to make sure this is Unity 3D, and then we're going to go to Just Motion, because we're only exporting that animation. We're going to go come down to Custom, Open File. Okay, perfect. Mine already has it up, but you may need a paste into your search bar up here. And I'm going to grab that Sue talking, the one I just did. Open that. Make sure these are all good. I'm not sure if I should click this or have it unclicked, so we'll just keep an eye on that guy. But we're going to export this. We will put this right about there. Let it export. And then you're going to pull up whatever project you're working on. In this case, our Bedlam project. I've created a talking animations folder, and then I'm going to go ahead and create another one just for Sue, just so we can be organized. And then what you'll do is you'll open your files, come down to your talking motion, and you should be able to just pull it right in. And then you should have the talking animation right there.